Hello, my name is Veronica and welcome to my home sweet home, Dulce Hogar. Today I'm sharing the shrimp and grits recipe. I know it's very simple, but I've been living in Georgia in the south of the United States for about 30 years, but I haven't had the chance to learn all the delicious recipes that Georgia until now. I just got married and my husband loves this recipe so much. It's his favorite. If you'd like to know how I make this recipe, follow me. Stay tuned. Let's get started. Thank you. Okay, first thing is the ingredients. We will need grits, shrimps, bacon as well, and I'm going to use this Maggi chicken broth, cheddar cheese, and mozzarella. I'm going to use chopped or minced garlic. You can use either. I'm going to use the Tony Creole seasoning and a little bit of the chives, salt and pepper. Last but not least is our butter. I used only 1 tablespoon of butter. So let's get started. 2 cups of water, and I'm adding the chicken broth, or you can use your chicken broth. By chicken broth, I use this because that's what I had. Then I will cook my bacon. I need to fry it until it's crispy. So let's just fry it until it's crispy, just like that. Let's make sure it doesn't get burned, so be careful. I'm just looking for a crispy, not too hard, just like that. That's good. Put it on the side. Now the chicken broth is ready, and I am adding 1 cup of grits, uncooked grits. So we are mixing it up and let it boil. I added my salt and pepper and butter, but I forgot to record. Now I'm adding my cheese, and just look for the right consistency. Let's put it on the side, and we're done with our bacon. Now that we're done, we're gonna use the same grease of bacon to fry our shrimp. And this is where I'm adding my garlic and the Creole, Tony Creole seasoning, which is really good. Then make sure they don't overcooked. So I'm just turning them all, flipping them all, and there you go, they're ready. Going back to my bacon, I just want to crumble them up, and this is going to be for garnishing my dish. And that tastes really good. So we're ready. It's pretty simple. So we're adding our grits with the cheese and all the flavor of the cheese and the butter. Look at that, you can see the cheese. Oh, it tastes so good. Then we're adding our shrimp, and then bacon. Garnish it with bacon and a little bit of chives on the top with more cheese. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please follow me on my social media, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like this channel. Thank you. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.